CPA, which stands for cost per action or cost per acquisition, is a pricing model used in online advertising and affiliate marketing. It is a form of performance-based marketing where advertisers pay affiliates or publishers a fee for a specific action or acquisition that is deemed valuable to the advertiser. This action could be a sale, lead, app installation, form submission, email sign-up, or any other predefined action that signifies a conversion. Here are some key points about CPA. Defined actions. CPA campaigns focus on specific actions that hold significance for the advertiser. These actions are typically related to the advertiser's marketing objectives, such as driving sales or generating leads. Advertisers define the desired action and set the criteria that need to be met for a conversion to be counted. Cost per conversion. Unlike other advertising models where advertisers pay for clicks, CPC, or impressions, CPA marketing ensures that advertisers only pay when a desired action is completed. The cost per conversion is predetermined by the advertiser and can vary based on the complexity and value of the desired action. Affiliate compensation. In CPA marketing, affiliates or publishers play a crucial role in driving traffic and conversions. Affiliates are responsible for promoting the advertiser's offers through various marketing channels. When a user completes the desired action through an affiliate's referral, the affiliate earns a commission or fee for generating that conversion. The commission is typically based on a percentage of the value of the action or a fixed amount determined by the advertiser. Tracking and attribution. Accurate tracking is vital in CPA marketing to attribute conversions to the correct affiliate and measure campaign performance. Unique tracking links or tracking pixels are used to track user interactions and conversions. These tracking mechanisms allow advertisers to attribute conversions to specific affiliates and calculate the corresponding payouts accurately. Performance optimization. CPA marketing allows advertisers to optimize their campaigns based on performance data. By analyzing conversion rates, return on investment, ROI, and other key metrics, advertisers can refine their targeting, creative assets, and promotional strategies to maximize conversions and profitability. Compliance and quality control. Advertisers often have specific guidelines and quality control measures in place to ensure that conversions generated by affiliates meet their standards. This includes monitoring for fraudulent activities, ensuring lead quality, and maintaining ethical practices. Advertisers may implement validation and verification processes to verify the legitimacy and value of the acquired conversions. CPA marketing offers a win-win situation for both advertisers and affiliates. Advertisers can achieve their marketing goals by paying only for successful conversions, while affiliates have the opportunity to earn revenue by promoting valuable offers and driving targeted traffic.